and you all the sperm. Sperm also it goes through certain reaction. The first one was acrosomal reaction, and yeah, what the glycoproteins, what shall we? I say, and I go capacitation reaction. And the membranes too, the acrosomal membrane and the plasma membrane, a few see and they melt away. And the friends say, I didn't say, and I go the acrosomal reaction. Into reason emitting and melting away, and money card nucleus. Into our brow sperm, let me find this barrier, first barrier. I just said, I completed the capacitation reaction. It's me for the first barrier. And half a under far away, and then a complete second one is acrosomal reaction. Now, the moment the sperm meets the membrane of the ovum, it will start to undergo the second meiotic division. The moment sperm share ovum cross all this barrier, it will start to undergo its second meiotic division. And I'm sure say the first meiotic division here, the moment that sperm the moment that ovum be released from the ovary, about the ampler part of the fallopian tube will complete its first meiotic division. Never friend is saying, you be friend is secondary ovum. And I'm say, never then complete the second meiotic division. Now, and I'm sure say the moment that the sperm will go through all the barriers after going through all its reactions, now meeting the membrane of the ovum now will start to undergo its second meiotic division. Now, say it's not complete its second meiotic division now. Your best friend is saying definitive ovum. So how does it complete its second meiotic division? Now, this is the ovum, and the nucleus. So the nucleus of the ovum, and 23 chromosomes. Yeah, 23 chromosomes. And yeah, this is the nucleus. The nucleus, the nucleus of the ovum. There were 23 chromosomes. 23 chromosomes. But 23 chromosomes, no, they've almost double DNA. Their DNA is double. Into maternal chromosome over here, 23 chromosomes. One. Right? I had the sperm. The sperm is a nucleus, no? Only. Also, I have 23 chromosomes. Also 23 chromosomes. So, entity maternal chromosome, the ovum, or 23 chromosomes, but double DNA. They have double genetic material. Genetic material is double. But male, no, the ovum, sorry, the egg, the sperm, or 23 chromosomes. But one, only double DNA. Their genetic material is not doubled. 18 now, I will say, now how many chromosomes are here? And how many chromosomes are here? Okay, so you have 20 chromosomes and 20 chromosomes, right? Okay, but just say, Mamma Biano a double. And I will say a tobacco to now we know so a baby because here queen on one best hand double or more dear, be a better double again. It is a real a double, let's have a double, there are 4 copies, and pennies answer. I have no man. In Tibino, ever or one of 2, also means double 2, but I had and walk 23 chromosomes, all right. We have maternal chromosome 1, until you say I'm 23, you can 22 plus X or Y. They make me finish up into maternal chromosome 1. It is say about 20 chromosomes. So, into maternal chromosome 1, I will double genetic material. Second one will double genetic material. But we know one paternal chromosome 1, there was one single DNA copy. 2 was actually 23. But I was saying a tobacco touching. Into ye who we a free not attraction. Into mammy, maternal one a baby are free, second baby are free. Nay, ye attraction. The rest and your friend the polar body. Into ye a be attraction, second other copies now, ye attraction and your friend then. A friend the polar body. Into the only number one at one pole of the zona pellucida. near friend the polar body. In the polar body, a unwanted genetic material in whom I am pay. And the nucleus no when I go search division, nothing a attraction, nothing retrotion, nothing one genetic material, one chromosome with one DNA copy. And paternal was in one chromosome with one copy. The unwanted ones that you free now and they become one from out one pole of the zona pellucida and a friend the polar body. And it means and if you see this chromosome, I'll be at 23, but with one DNA copy, your friend definitive ovum. But first genetic division, the second ovum, our chromosome. Our chromosome 23, but our double DNA copy. He said, and only see our double, but the definitive ovum there. And yeah, you want 23 chromosomes with one single copy, DNA copy. What I say, fine. And you see, I say, polar body as say polar body add or wanted genetic material that copy standing in pen. I one pole of the zona pellucida, defend the polar body. And I say first, second ovum or 23 chromosomes with double genetic material. It is when I go second meiotic division where to release the unwanted genetic material out, and the friend is saying, if I say definitive ovum, where to go to one pole of the zona pellucida and find the polar body. Now, as you say, you see, now one, and there be now egg in the German egg sperm the sperm DNA red. It is sperm DNA, nucleus no, and ovum DNA. So now, this about 23 chromosomes. Brings 23 chromosomes. Into the nucleus from the ovum. And eventually the nucleus from the sperm. Nucleus from the sperm. What I say? The nucleus from the sperm, nucleus from the ovum. 23. They say in a way about 23 chromosomes with one DNA copy. It's a very definitive ovum because I completed a second meiotic division and I raised the wanted genetic material echo one pole of the zona pellucida, the definitive ovum. I haven't said that now or 23 chromosomes to one DNA copy. Remember, one DNA copy. That's one DNA copy. Now, before they meet, now say when you weigh a meet here, you find a zygote. Until from this stage, but before they meet, they undergo certain changes. Before saying it is a normal nucleus, I fail now, go through BB, near friend the pronucleus. Until I have said, 23 chromosomes, some say, they say maternal one. They say maternal one. They say a one, good. I have paternal chromosomes, no. And also I1 because I had two and the undergo second meiotic division. The nucleus form and the same canon. Bueno, they say no some maternal chromosome 1 first need double. And they give a training as polar body. And everything definitive ovum. And they say 1, but first need 2. You see, in about into one copy. And a paternal chromosome that they 1 copy. And now before say this egg and a sperm the nucleus be meeting. Say a meeting I am friends I got say meeting answer. Now before it's meeting, we must have double. Now we so ask hand double because they think about the future. We must have double. Now the paternal chromosome on also then on also double. So how many chromosomes are here? How many chromosomes are here? So how many chromosomes are here now? And how many chromosomes are here now? Don't tell me to make a 2. No. Chromosomes are counted by the number of centromeres, not the DNA copy. We are 1 to 2 DNA copies. But chromosomes, they are counted by the centromeres. If I have one chromosome here, I have one chromosome here, but with double DNA. Do you really get the concept? Fine, we say, say there's a lot of body, I don't do the second metric division. We know everything here about a quarter as polar body. While Brian, a normal process because say we see about one now. If we are air dog, imagine say we made up a bed, I'll be a 4 because they need to be really after training. The same as I'll be 2 into a normal process. Okay, into Beno 1, 2, into number double it's DNA copy. And say we have if you have about 4,000 genes here, those genes will be copied here. Because talking about this spindle fibers, I don't want to go much into detail, but then during time I about medical genetics, you really understand what I'm trying to mean, and I'll give you much understanding over this. What I say, in the answer, in one chromosome with double DNA, it is here and I say now, I bear 20 chromosomes with one single DNA. I don't convert back. I say, right? Into from here, a million this ovum with 23 chromosomes, I say 23 chromosomes, but double DNA. Obia or double DNA. It's a friend pro-nucleus. Now this pro-nucleus will meet. And the moment they fuse together, they mix their genetic material. Now yaba never friend zygote. They mix their genetic material. Never friend zygote. In John's hair, with the egg and sperm, and the normal process, I see 50 and 9 beyond there be. It goes through changes. Into first, your fertilization that is occurring at the ampler part of the developing tube. When the egg is released, egg and the barrier the first immediate barrier around it called the zona pellucida, another barrier called the corona radiata, right? Upon release of sperm or ejaculation, we have the semen. I'm saying that the sperm, 10% of the semen and the rest are fluids from the seminal vesicles and the prostate gland and other glands. Now, for every sperm that is released, we have about 300 to 500 million sperms at a womb. But upon the fertilization stage, when it gets to the fallopian tube, we will have about 300 to 500 sperms in 2 million. So that is 1 million. In drones, they are all going to fight for the ovum. But the first one to touch the membrane of the ovum through some cortical granules, it creates another barrier for the rest of the sperms. It is sperms being beam. The moment the first one ever gets into the membrane of the ovum, it prevents it goes under certain cortical reactions and secretes some cortical granules, and then hardens the surface of the ovum and prevents other eggs from other sperm from coming inside into obtaining embryo beam. So it goes to some cortical reactions. I bet you all say release sperm now, so you release the egg now. Egg complete its first meiotic division, and now females over 23 chromosomes, but over double DNA interference and secondary ovum. Now, the moment sperm touches the membrane of the ovum, it starts to undergo second meiotic division. Second meiotic division is the chromosome 23 with double DNA copy. I was set a copy about the other training, and near to our training, and they form polar body because they are being found at one polar end of the zona pellucida. And polar body is a means to get rid of unwanted genetic materials. Great. Now, I need 20 chromosome, and I feel a better into pronucleus. They say, we have one copy, send a papa DNA, send a 50 starts in under one copy. And only 23 because my not one genetic material actually in 20 chromosomes, about 20 chromosomes. Now, before this nucleus fuse, before they fuse the genetic material, I was so double genetic material because they want to go certain divisions. And it's a polar body one how 4. You get the point? Yes. And see, pronucleus, our brass and has double on genetic material. Now, if they fuse the genetic material and they form a zygote. From here, in our next video, we'll be talking about how zygotes will go through 2 cell stages, will go through 4 cell stages, will go through the molar, right? Molar goes to blood, talking about inner cell mass, the outer cell mass, trophoblast, emboblast, I read the embryology of the brain and the spinal cord. From there, I take it to the nervous system and really appreciate the concept. Trust me, don't miss a video. Make sure you go by this, and then whenever I read the contents, you make sure you look at it critically, you get your books and write everything, and trust me, you'll be perfect. Thank you.